everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tasty Meal by Stacy. Today I have for you guys a beautiful and sweet dish. It's a beautiful dessert. We're going to be making a pecan pie. Well, I'm very happy to be here today, especially because the holidays are coming and I know Thanksgiving is this week and then we're going to be celebrating Christmas. As you guys can see, I already started decorating. I'm almost done. The kitchen is all done. The living room, the dining rooms, those rooms are done. So I'm very happy about that. But I have about 6 more rooms to go, which is fine. I can do that before December 1st. For now, I also have some time to make this beautiful dish, this dessert, which is a classic for the holidays in many countries. So my husband is, this is one of his favorite dessert, apple pies and pecan pie. So I'm making this one, and I probably we're going to be making the apple pie for Christmas. So let's go ahead and put this dish together. For this dish, we have 3 eggs. So it's going to be super, super quick and simple. We are going to be putting 3 eggs, and then I'm going to be whisking it nice. At this point, we're going to go ahead and put 3/4 of a cup of white sugar. Whisk it again. Guys, we're going to be pouring in this beautiful dish, corn syrup. We normally, it's a choice. You can either do the dark or the lighter one, but we know that the light one normally is a simple taste, and then the darker one tend to be a little richer on taste. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do half of each. I'm going to do half of the clear one, corn syrup, and half of the dark, and that will make a cup of syrup. Guys, this is looking good, so I'm going to go ahead and put half of a teaspoon of salt. We're also going to be putting a teaspoon of vanilla. I have the pure extract vanilla. I'm going to put a little extra just because I love it. I love vanilla. Let's go ahead and whisk it. Guys, this is optional. I just want to go ahead and put a little teeny amount of cloves. I just like the spices. I like the smell of and the taste of cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg. So I went for the cloves on this one, just to enhance the flavor. So at this point, we're gonna go ahead and put 1.5 cups of pecan. I got the chopped one. Normally I do the one that is cut in half, but this one is kind of in between. This one has both. It has the chopped and the half, so which is cool. We don't want it to be too broken, and we don't want it to be too big. 1.5 cup of pecan, and we are ready to go. Look how beautiful that looks. We're also going to be putting 2 tablespoons of butter. There you go. There's 1 and 2. That's perfect. My husband is gonna love this dish, and I hope you guys do as well. But look how beautiful that looks. That is awesome. The smell is so nice now with the clove in it. You guys can really customize this. This is your moment to do anything you want in the kitchen. You can put cinnamon, you can put the clove, you can put nutmeg, you can do any spice that you want. But if you want to enhance the flavor and the smell in this dish, go ahead, go for it. The oven been preheating on 380 degrees. I don't want to put it too high because I'm using the top oven, which is small, and so it will be too close to the top. I don't want the crust to burn. Guys, I'm using one of the frozen crust. This is a 9-inch crust, and so let's go ahead and transfer the pie into it. This is just wonderful. As you can see, the pie is looking pretty. I just put it in, so we're gonna leave it in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. The temperature of 380, and then after the 20 minutes, we're gonna put it down to 350 or to 350, and we're gonna leave it in there for 30 minutes. Guys, look how beautiful the pie came out. Well, guys, let's go ahead and try this beautiful pie. It looks awesome. It looks delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece. Let's go. Ooh. Wow. That is so pretty. Guys, let's go ahead and try this beautiful dish. This pecan pie came out awesome. The smell is so good in the kitchen. It smells so sweet. I mean, it's really nice. Um, Let me see. Mm, wow. Mm. It's delicious. Now that it's cold, I can hold it. Look at this. It looks good. It looks beautiful. I will recommend you guys to try this beautiful pecan pie. Came out awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being here. Um, Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share my videos. God bless. Let's eat.